Hi everybody, once again welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be a lot similar to the one before. Let's say I have this cabinet and I don't want to have the drawer on the upper side. I just like to have a cabinet with one door, so no drawer and no right door. I choose these ones. I have another cabinets. I want to work the less possible, so that's why I look for one cabinet which is very similar to the one I need. So all the other ones, and they just have the drawer with the drawer box. This one doesn't have the drawer box, so I won't have to delete those. And okay, I choose this one because I think it's the closest one to the one I need. So what I'm going to do to modify this, the first thing we need to do is to save this as a new cabinet. So we're going to call it base one door. And from now we are going to delete the components. I'm going to hit over here right door, delete it. We don't need that one anymore. The drawer front, we don't need it, so I'm going to hit over here delete, confirm, and we don't need that. Okay, here comes another part that we are not going to need. This one. This is the drawer division. We are not going to need this one because we are just going to have just one door, complete door. So I'm going to delete the drawer division also, and delete one. So it's warned. I have two warnings already that I need to do something with this sketch. As you could see, I have those pockets over here for on the sides to support the drawer division. So to find out, let me hit over here this sketch. I'm gonna hit right click on the bottom on the timeline, and let me see what comes up. Edit sketch. So this sketch is to locate the insets on the drawer division. So I'm just gonna hit over here finish sketch, and I'm going to delete this sketch. I don't need it anymore. And the other one, I'm going to hit edit sketch, and this is the same one for the right side. I'm going to hit over here finish sketch, and I'm going to hit right click on the timeline, delete the sketch, because I don't need that one anymore. So I still have those pockets over here, and I need to get rid of them. So I'm going to try to select this, and right now I'm looking over here on the timeline on the bottom. That is the feature that created that. So I'm going to hit delete that feature. That was easy. Because this is a mirror part, it just got deleted over here also. So I don't have that anymore. I could go further if I like. Hit over here delete. Edit the left panel sketch, and I see I have that part over here. It's up to you if you want to delete that or no. It's actually up to you. I don't know. It's not bothering anymore. I don't know if I delete it or not, but just gonna delete that. Okay, going to delete all this. Okay, I just selected all of them and delete it. So I'm gonna hit over here finish sketch. Let me see if I have any warnings. I don't have any warnings. Okay, we are doing good for now. So we need to update this profile, the one that created this door. So let's go over here to the sketch. I like to name the sketch, so I could go very quick to them, and I did like we are going to do right now. I just hit it, right click. I'm gonna hit over here edit sketch. As you can see, I have 3 profiles. One for the front drawer and one for the right door. I'm going to delete those profiles. So I don't want to delete anything else. So I'm going to go just one by one. Delete over here. I'm going to delete this dimension for now. I will just recreate that one. The reason I'm doing this one by one is because I don't want to delete anything that doesn't need to be deleted. Okay. Okay. One more over here and one on the right. Okay, I think that's all. So from here to the upper side, we need to create another dimension, which is from here to here. And this is the upper reveal. Top reveal is called. This is a parameter already set. So you just look for it. We have already set that one, and I'm going to update this one. This is going to be the width of the cabinet. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to change over here something. I'm going to put over here reveal operator multiplier for 2. I'm just going to delete this. Okay, as you can see over here, what we have now, we have the parameter which sets the width of the cabinet minus the reveals for the 2 sides, the right and the left side. This is why I put over here minus and open a parenthesis, and the reveal parameter, the operator, the multiplier operator for 2, and close the parameter. That's it. We're going to hit enter over here. And as you can see, I have my reveal on the right side, and I have my reveal on the left side. We didn't did anything with the one on the bottom because we didn't modify that one. So I have my reveal already created on the bottom. So as you can see, this new door is bigger. It's too big. I need to put this the width of the cabinet small. So I'm going to put over here 16 inches just for you to look better what we are doing now. So I'm going to hit over here finish sketch, home view, and this is what we have. A simple, real simple cabinet, base cabinet. As you can see over here, I'm going to hit that hide the door, and this door, as you can see over here, we don't have any shelves over here. So maybe I do a video later showing you how to create a shelf over here. So for now, this is going to be all for this cabinet. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, please. That will help me a lot. If you have any questions, please write that on the comments. I will try to answer all of them. Also, I'm sharing a list of parameters. With each video, I'm going to put a link on the description with all the parameters that I'm using for that cabinet. So you could take a look at it, just for you to have an idea of what parameters I'm using. That will might help you if you want to do something similar. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.